But this bhakti, everywhere you read Madhurya Kadambini, you read all the books of the acharyas, bhakti is causeless. There is no cause for bhakti. Kripa is part of bhakti. There's no cause. So this say ahoitaki, causeless mercy. I said that's mercy means causeless because it's a book about a spiritualist. It's a book about some great devotee. He's writing his memoirs or whatever, his experiences. So if you say any spiritual mercy automatically is causeless. There's nothing we can do. If someone has a Sadguru, he's in good shape. But how many people have Sadguru? There's so many good people in the world. I know many. I know hundreds of good people in the world. They have no guru. This is their guru, their man guru, mind. It's also not bad, good guru sometimes. It can give you some good ideas. But Sadguru, Mukta Jeev, liberated soul, who's seen the truth, Tattvadarshi, Tadvidi Pranibatena, Paripashnena Sevaya, Upadekshanti Te Jnanam, Jnaninas Tattvadarshana. Tattvadarshana, he's seen the truth, he's realized. And when you meet him or you hear from him, you feel it. You see the truth by seeing him. By seeing Guru, you see the truth. If he's Sadguru means, Sad means Sat, Sat means truth, Sat means eternal, Guru means the voice of God. Guru means heavy, it also means remover of darkness. Ru means darkness, Gu means light, remove. So when you meet the Sadguru, who are we? Who are you? Who am I? We're nobody. Our ego may tell us I'm this, I'm that, I have this qualification, that qualification, this degree, this birth, this noble birth. Oh, I'm a Brahmin, I'm a Kshatriya, I'm a wealthy person, I'm this, that, my father's this, that. It means zero. There's millions of people around the world like that without a guru. No guru. Millions of wonderful pious Indians, Brahmins, no Sadguru. They have a Kula Guru, family guru, gives a boy Upanayanam when he's 11. But they don't have Vaishnava Guru. The Kula Guru, the Kula Guru, the family guru will engage you in karma, good karma, yagya, puja. Then you do so many yagyas and pujas. And what do you get? You get another birth. Only the Sadguru can take you to Satdham, because he will give you Krishna. But no one wants Krishna because it says in the 10th canto of Bhagavatam, chapter 88, verse 8, that Krishna takes everything away. He says, if I favor someone, if I give my causeless, if I give my mercy to someone, I may take away everything. And every Indian doesn't know anything about Bhagavatam, doesn't know anything about Gita, but he knows this, that Krishna spoke the Gita, and surrender all religion, serve Krishna, but if you do that, he'll take away everything, so don't do it. Worship Shiva, he's really cool, and that's a fact, and he's really kind, and that's a fact. He's really gentle and innocent, so he's called Bola. Bolanath means gentle, innocent, like a child. Child is easily tricked, easily fooled. You give him a little candy and then you can catch him and kidnap him. So Shiva is like that. His heart is, what anybody wants, yeah, take. Like if you're busy doing something and someone wants something, yeah, take, I'm busy. So he's busy. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. He meditates on Sankarshan, Ram, Hare Ram. He's too busy. He's shant.